guys, it's Miss Alexander. Welcome back to today's video. I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. Let's go ahead and jump into our Heggerty. Okay, here we go. I am going to say 2 words. If these words rhyme, give me a big thumbs up. If they don't rhyme, give me a thumbs down. Okay? Rhyming words are going to sound the same, but they're not going to have the same beginning sound. Okay, so listen and make sure they sound the same. If they do, thumbs up. If they don't, thumbs down. Ready? Fiddle, middle. Good. Wiggle, giggle. Good. Closet, closest. Closet, closest. Those don't rhyme. Now they sound really similar. They sound almost the same, like the same word, but they do not rhyme. Closet, closest. Those don't rhyme. Okay, what about trouble, double? Those rhyme. Okay, last one. Severe, 7. Severe, 7. Those don't rhyme. Okay, good job. Okay guys, next activity, I'm going to say the syllables in a word. Remember, a syllable is how many times your chin drops down when you say a word. So, like the word dog. How many syllables is that? Dog. Just 1. Dog. Right? That's just 1 syllable. What about the word water? Water. That's 2 syllables. Water. Okay, what about butterfly? Butterfly. That was 3. Let's clap it just to be sure. Butterfly. Okay, so do you see what syllables are? Do you remember that word syllables? All right, so I'm going to say the syllables in these words, and I want you to tell me what the whole word is. Okay, here we go. Discover. Discover. Very good. Submarine. Submarine. Good. Introduce. Introduce. Good. That was a long one. Okay, what about alphabet? Alphabet. Very good. One more. Subtraction. Subtraction. Great job. Okay, this time I'm going to say the word and you get to chop it into its syllables. Now, we're not chopping it into its phonemes, so not the smallest sounds that you hear, just the syllables. Okay, so however many times you can clap it out when you say the word, or how many times your chin drops when you say it, that's how you're going to chop it. Okay, does that make sense? So if I said permission, I would chop it per-mi-ssion. 3 syllables. Okay, what about your turn? The word volcano. How many syllables? Chop it out for me. Vol-ca-no. 3. Very good. Okay, try this one. Tomatoes. Tomatoes. Ta-may-vol-ca-no. 3. Very good. Okay, try this one. Tomatoes. Tomatoes. Ta-may-toes. 3. Very good. Okay, try this one. Calendar. Calendar. Cal-in-der. Very good. Last one. Continue. Good. Continue. you. Great job. All right, this time I'm gonna say a word. You repeat the word after me, and then we're gonna change the ending to a new word part and then say a brand new word. You ready? All right, let's try it. Rainfall. Change fall to bow, and it's rainbow. Good. Rainbow. Change bow to coat, and it's raincoat. Very good. Okay. Raincoat. Change coat to storm, and it's rainstorm. Good. Okay. What about backbone? Backbone. Change bone to fire, and it's backfire. Very good. Let's do one more. Background. Background. Change ground to track, and it's backtrack. Very good, guys. Okay, I'm gonna say a word. You repeat the word, and then we're going to add an ending to it to make a new word. All right, here we go. Loud. Add it's louder. Very good. Easy. Add est. Easiest. Good. Wide. Add est. Widest. Very good. Okay. Long. Add longer. Very good. Okay, last one. Late. Add est. Latest. Very good. Okay, last activity. You ready? I'm going to say the word, you repeat it, and then we're going to take part of the word away and tell me what's left. Here we go. Prettiest. Without est, it's pretty. Very good. Nicer. Without it's nice. Shorter. Without it's short. Okay, one more. Thickest. Without est, it's thick. Very good job. Give yourself a good pat on the back because you are awesome. Okay, friends, now it's time for joke of the day. Are you ready? Okay. 2 pickles fell out of the jar and onto the floor. What did one pickle say to the other pickle? All right, one more time. 2 pickles fell out of their jar and landed on the floor. What did one pickle say to the other pickle? What do you think? Deal with it. Dill, like dill pickle? He said, deal with it. All right, guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Hey guys, Miss Donnell here. Glad to see you guys again today. We are going to jump into our Fun Phonics on this Tuesday, May 5th, 2020. Okay, so yesterday you learned that ER says Well, IR also says Repeat. Good. And then UR says Repeat. Nice. We've got them up here, IR and UR. Okay, so we know that ER is the most common of the 3. So typically when you hear that sound, more often than not, you would use ER when you're spelling. Okay? UR is the least common of ER, IR, and UR, says Okay? So UR is the least common. UR or IR can be used in the middle of a word or at the end of a word. Typically, we have a beginning, a middle, and an end in a word. So UR and ER can be used typically in either one of these positions. Good. So let's write some words now. Your first word is the word girl. Watch me. G-R-O, girl. Tap it with me now. G-R-O, girl. Tap it by yourself. Good. Now write the word girl. Our next word is the word firm. Firm. Remember, when we're tapping the sound, it's one tap. Tap it with me. Firm. Good. Now tap it by yourself. And write the word firm. Nice work. Okay. Curl. Good. Tap it with me. Curl. Good. Tap it by yourself. Now we know when we hear that k sound at the beginning of a word, if it's followed by an or ah, okay, we use an O. That's wrong. Don't use that part. We know that when we hear a k at the beginning of a word, okay, sometimes we use a K and sometimes we use a C. In this word with curl, you use a C. Okay, write the word curl. Nice. Here's your next word, first. First. You've got to blend at the end of the word. Tap it with me. First. Tap it by yourself. Nice. Write the word first. Our next word is the word chirp. Watch me. Chirp. Now tap it with me. Chirp. Tap it by yourself. Now go ahead and write the word chirp. Good. Our last word is the word hurt. Hurt. Tap it with me. Hurt. Okay? Now write the word hurt. These words are very tricky. Really, we want you to practice reading them correctly when you see that IR and UR, and then the spelling will come as you guys study these words more and more as you grow. Okay, go ahead and read the words to your adult or someone in the room with you. Great job, guys. Okay, and last today, we have a sentence that we just need to expand. Right? Read it with me. Birds chirp in the park. How can we make that sentence better? Pause the video and talk to your adult and see what they would do. Good. Okay, what kind of birds chirp in the park? Could they be blue? Could they be red? Could they be baby birds? I don't know. How do they chirp? Do they chirp loudly, softly, annoyingly? Many different ways that they could chirp. In the what kind of park? Pause the video and see if you can write your new sentence. Okay, here's my sentence. Baby birds chirp loudly in the neighborhood park. Now, can't you just imagine that picture in your head? Don't you get a much more clear picture in your head from this descriptive sentence over this sentence? And that's the reason why we want you guys to expand those sentences. Think about how you can make them better. Okay, great job today, guys. Keep at it. This is the last week for AMI work. I know you can do it. We'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Traction, action, this is how you play. Move your body and take away. When you subtract things, you get the difference. Let's do subtraction, move and have fun. 4 bald eagles are gliding through the air. 2 bald eagles fly down and land somewhere. How many bald eagles are gliding through the air? 4 minus 2 equals 2. 3 alligators are swimming in the lake. 2 alligators go on the grass and take a break. How many alligators are swimming in the lake? 3 minus 2 equals 1. 10 fast runners are running in a race. 5 fast runners finish at record pace. How many fast runners are still running in the race? 10 minus 5 equals 5. 8 bodybuilders are pumping up some weights. 5 bodybuilders stop and take a break. How many bodybuilders are still pumping up some weights? 8 minus 5 equals 3. Subtraction, action, this is how you play. Move your body and take away. When you subtract things, you get the difference. Let's do subtraction, move and have fun. If you like this video.
Okay, guys, so that was just a little Jack Hartman. We love some Jack Hartman, don't we? If you will turn to your packet on May 5th and look at our problems today, you'll notice that it's subtraction fluency, and it says use items to count with or draw it out if it's needed. But I'm thinking you guys probably are not going to need some counters on most of these. So this is what I want to challenge you to do. I want you to do the subtraction page here, but I want you to have your parents, or if you have access to a timer, and time yourself, and I want you to see if you can beat me doing these subtraction problems. So pause the video and then do them as quickly as you can and make sure they're accurate, and then write your time down, and then at the end we will see if your time beats my time. We'll see if you can do it or not. Good morning, firsties. Hope you guys are having a great morning. Today is May the 5th. It is Tuesday. I hope you're having a great day, and we're gonna get ready to do some math. Today we're doing math and we're doing subtraction. So it's a little different on what we're doing. It's not a story problem today, it's more on fact fluency. And whenever we are working with fact fluency, it's just like when you're doing fluency with your reading. You want to read smoothly and get all your words correct. Maybe you have to slow down sometimes to do that, to sound out words. Well, it's the same thing with math. So when you're doing it for fluency, you want it efficient. So to make it most efficient, you want to make your answers correct. That's the most important part. And then also quickly, to do it quickly. So on this, you're not necessarily going to be using your drawing out your answers on the paper. There's not enough room to do it on that part of the paper, but if you need to, then yes, definitely do it. Then you could write it on like a separate piece of paper or a whiteboard or something to draw it out, because I do want you to get it accurate. So my challenge today is I want you to pause the video here in a second. I want you to do that as quickly as you can, but I want you to time yourself. Either get your parents to time you or you time yourself. And at the end, when you're done, write your time down. And then when you come back to the computer, then I want you to see if your time beat my time. And then also you're gonna be checking your answers yourself to see if you got the same answers I got. And then think about too, did you do these problems the same way I did? Sometimes I will add to subtract. I will add to figure out what the difference is between my two answers. And sometimes I will actually subtract and count backwards by a certain amount of numbers. So see if you can do some of the same things that I'm doing. So pause the video now and then do your problems and then play it, and then we'll see if you got the same thing I got. Okay? Okay guys, how did you do? I hope you did a great job. Did you time yourself and did you write it down? Okay, so I wrote my equations on my little whiteboard that I have here, and I'm going to turn this around, and I want you to see if you did yours kind of like me. So I said 6, take away 5. I know that's going backwards 1. 11, take away 6. Now, if I'm doing 11 and I take away 6, sometimes I'll count up, and I'll say 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's 5 more. And then 17, take away 5. That will be 12. 10, take away 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 more. And 12, take away 6. I know a double, 6 plus 6 equals 12, so that's going to be 6. 8, take away 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 3 more. I also know 10 minus 5. I know the double 5 plus 5 equals 10, so 10 minus 5 is going to equal 5. 16, take away 6. Oh, that's easy peasy because you have your 10 friendly numbers there, 6 and 10. So I know 10 plus 6 equals 16. 9 minus 6, that would be 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 more. And then 5 minus 5 is another friendly 10. I know that 10 and 5 is going to equal 15. So if I have 15 and take away 5, that's going to leave me with 10. 11 minus 5, that would be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That makes 6. Okay, 15 minus 6. Well, I know that if 15 minus 5 was 10, I'm taking one more away, so that's going to leave me with 9. 13 minus 5. Okay, so on that one, I would say 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's 8. I don't know if you can see all those fingers. 8. And then 17 minus 6. Well, that would be 11. Because I know 17 minus 7 would be 10. So 17 minus 6 would be 11. 14 minus 6 would be 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That would be 8. Almost done. 12 minus 5. If I had another 5, that would take us to 10. And 2 more. So 5 and 2 more would be 7. 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 7 minus 5. I could go backwards 2. So that would be 6, 5. So it would be 7 minus 5 equals 2. 13 minus 6. That would be 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's 7. And then 9 minus 5 equals 4. I stop my timer. And now I have done that in 1 minute and 24 seconds. Did you beat me? I don't know. I wonder. I bet some of you did. I bet you did it a lot faster than that because I know you can. And if you didn't beat me, that's okay. Try again. And as I was going through them, I hope you were also checking yours, making sure you got your answers right, because it's not the fastest that matters, it's the most accurate. So it's the quickest, so the efficiency word that we're always looking for. The one that's the quickest and the fastest with the correct answer. That is efficiency. So guys, I hope you have a great day. Do an act of kindness today for someone maybe you haven't done for yet, and go out and enjoy the outside. Do something fun outside. Love you and miss you. Bye.